Welcome to Learn Physiology. Today, the topic of discussion is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is one of the most important cellular constituent. It is consisting of different sac-like structures. Endoplasmic reticulum is involved in different cellular activities. Endoplasmic means within the cytoplasm and reticulum means a little net. So it's a little network like structure which is found within the cytoplasm, and it is consisting of the sacs, vesicles and interconnected flat tubules called cisternae. Here you can find that the interconnected tubules, and here you can find the ribosome also, and in some part ribosome is absent. The walls of the endoplasmic reticulum are constructed by a lipid bilayer membrane. That means it's more or less similar to the cell membrane, and it contains large numbers of protein that like as cell membrane also. The space inside the tubules and vesicles are filled with endoplasmic reticulum, endoplasmic matrix, which is a watery medium, and it is slightly different from the fluid of the cytosol. Endoplasmic reticulum may be divided into two types or maybe of two types depending upon the presence of the ribosomes. If ribosomes are there, then it is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this rough endoplasmic reticulum is characterized by numerous flattened interconnected cisternae, and surface of this cisternae are covered with dark stained granules called ribosomes. So here you can find the ribosomes. So these are the dark stained structures which are called as ribosomes. So this is rough endoplasmic reticulum. And as it remains attached with the ribosome, which is the one of the most important component for the protein synthesis, so it helps in protein synthesis. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for synthesis of the proteins. In contrast, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for lipid synthesis where ribosome is absent. Let us see what happens in the endoplasmic reticulum when mRNA reaches from the nucleus. Here it passes through the ribosome, and depending upon the sequence of codon in the mRNA, the amino acid will stuck here and it will form polypeptide chains, which is ultimately called as proteins. As I told earlier, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is lacking ribosome, and it is consisting primarily of anastomosing of collecting tubules, and it is responsible for lipid synthesis. Let us see the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. It is responsible for forming a framework of cytoplasm and provides a mechanical support. It helps in formation of the nuclear membrane, Golgi bodies and cell wall. And rough endoplasmic reticulum act as a site for protein synthesis as it remains attached with the ribosome. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in synthesis of the fats, steroids and lipids. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in transmission of the impulse from the cell membrane in case of the muscle. Within the muscle, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for release of the calcium ion, which are responsible for contraction of the muscle. It provides larger surface area for exchange of the material between the cytoplasm and extracellular fluid as well as the cytoplasm and nucleus. So it is responsible for the exchange of material and inside the cell with outside the cell also. In liver, the enzymes of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum are involved in detoxification of drug including amphetamines, morphines, codeine and phenobarbital. Among these, morphines is responsible for reducing pain and other drugs are responsible for stimulating the central nervous system. So these are the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you very much for watching this video.